Alright guys, welcome to another video. We're back down here at WB & Sons for the December auction. So we'll get in, we'll have a look about, see what there is to see. So I've got this Honda Civic Type R in rare championship white, quite sought after colour. Tidy in here guys. It's got 90, can't show you the miles obviously because it's digital, but it's got 95,000 miles on. Sitting on the gold 18-inch alloys. You can see on there it's the Mugen badged rear spoiler. So it's had a bit of tension under here. Rock cover's now gold. And gold battery clamp. K&N sticker on top of the fuse box. The guide price on this Honda Civic Type R is £46,000. And next up I've got this Stun Alpha GTV. It's a nice clean tan and black interior. Unmarked in the back of there. This one's a Digi Dash, guys, so I can't show you the miles. Run on the standard 17-inch alloys. As you can see, it's a 3 litre V6 version. This Alpha's had a long current ownership and has a large history file to go with the car. Very clean under here guys. Not there's a lot to see. Alpha's V6 motor there. Guide price on the Alpha is £3,000 to £4,000. This Mark II Mondeo is a bit of a rarity. Tidy looking car on standard alloys. Not too bad in here guys. There's a couple little marks on the seat there. The thing with this Mondeo, it's on 17,000 miles from new. How would you find another one of those? Mark II Mondeo is the Verona version. You can see in the back door there. This Mondeo is finished in juice green. This 1800 blacktop C-Tech motor. As you can see, it's like new under here, as you would expect with that kind of mileage, 17,000 miles. Very clean. So the guide price on the Mondeo is £2,500 to £3,500. Right guys, so we're in the auction hall now. Some lovely cars in here. So we'll have a look about and see what there is. Up next we've got this stunning Mark I Sierra. How clean is this guys? Don't see many like that now. Aye, sorry, it's a bit dark in the corner here. What clean car. Showing 83,000 kilometres. Done nothing. So Sierra's been a South African import. And that mileage equates to around 50,000 miles. You can see there guys, 2 litre GL version. condition of the Sierra is unbelievable. There's a 2-litre Pinto under there. There's also a 5-speed car as well. And wings are all as clean as the exterior of the vehicle. And there, South African chassis plate. Unbelievable car. The guide price on the Sierra is £5,000 to £6,000. Next up, this XR3. This one's on the Cosworth style 14-inch alloys. Tidy car in here, guys. Standard radio, graphic equalizer. Mileage is showing 1,700, so take that as you will, guys. Obviously do your own checks. In the back there, it's just as clean as the front. Tidy car. This one's a 90 spec XR3 with a different spoiler and the different front bumper. Very clean, this XR3, guys. And yeah, that's the 90 spec front bumper. Not too bad near the wings. There's a little hole there, look. Not too bad. 600 CVH electronic fuel injection. Body trim might need some attention, but doesn't look too bad. So the guide price on the XR3 is £6,000 to £8,000. Then another little thing you don't see many of, little Metro GTI. Very clean in here, guys. It's showing a mileage. You can see that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 18,000 miles. It'll be a rare car. This one's running on the standard 15-inch GTI alloys. A tidy little car, as you would expect with those kind of miles on. And obviously Rover's 16-valve K-series motor. Very tidy little thing. Obviously again reflected by the mileage. Cool. So the guide price on the Metro GTI is £4,000 to £6,000. Cheap enough thing. Where would you find another one with 18,000 miles? Cool car. So up next, I've got this very clean Vauxhall Calibra. It's clean, tidy, original car in here, guys. Showing 44,000 miles, you see that? This Calibra's had 2 former keepers from new. Don't see many like this now. This one's running on its standard 15-inch alloys. This one is also the 2-litre 8-valve injection motor. Again, looks very clean under here. Totally unmessed with example. Tidy car. The guide price on the Calibra is £4,000 to £5,000. Another bit of rarity, a pair of Mark II Cavaliers. We'll look at this SRI first. I've got my many of these left now. And on the standard 14-inch alloys. This one has the beige Recaro interior. It's the automatic version. A little bit of wear on that bolster there. You can see that guy's a bit dark, sorry. It's not too bad. Showing the mileage, I don't know if you can see that, guys, it's 92,000 miles. A pretty rare car. Two-litre 8-valve motor. The wings don't look too bad, but it is quite dark in this corner up here. Don't look too bad up there. Non-standard, those gas struts. Don't need a bonnet stick. I like that. It's got the K&N sticker on the heater motor. I don't know if it is actually equipped with a K&N filter. So the guide price is £6,000 to £8,000. Then there's this Mark II Cavalier CD. This would be another bit of a rare thing. And then it's standard 13-inch CD alloys. Again, quite tidy in here, guys. A little bit of mould on the steering wheel there, must have been stood for a while. Manual version, this one. And the mileage is shown 5,400 miles, so obviously do your own checks at that. Again, it's just as clean in the back here as well, guys. Very tidy example. Again, the 8-valve motor in this one. And the wings don't look too bad from what we can see. A little bit in there, but it's nothing. It's a little bit of a tension there on the corner of the sound panel, but that's nothing. The rest of it looks quite canny. So the guide price on the Mark II Cavalier CD is £2,000 to £4,000. This little 5-door Metro is another bit of a rarity. Only be described as in time warp condition in here. The car is shown 3,000 miles from new. Unbelievable. Obviously, it's equally as clean in the back. Strong car. This little Metro is the City X, and it's a 1300 engine one. It's in unbelievable condition, as you'd expect with those miles. There's nothing around the inside the arches. Run on the standard steel wheels. That's a little 1300 A series engine. The 1300s were red on the later ones, and the 1000s are yellow. And the wings are all good. Again, as you'd expect with those kind of miles. Even has the Uniport battery fitted. So the guide price on the Metro is £8,000 to £10,000. And we have another XR3. We see this one's a cabriolet version. It's a strong looking car as well, guys. Not too bad in here. With the cloth 3 corridors. A little bit of wear on the bolsters there, not too bad. So the Ford stereo in. This one's shown. You can see that, guys, it's 25,000 mile. Obviously do your own checks at that. This one's running the standard 14-inch Ford alloys. Tidy looking car. Again, the 600 CVH. This time this one's on mechanical injection. And the wings don't look too bad. Looks quite clean under here. Okay, price on this XR3 Cabriolet is £46,000. There's another bit of a rarity. There can't be many of these left. Of course, the Sport. Not too bad in here, guys. A little bit of wear on that bolster, but nothing. Fairly complete aftermarket radio. Miles, if you can see that, guy's a bit dark. 99, nearly 100,000 mile. Obviously 5-speed one. This one's running on the standard 14-inch Vauxhall alloys. Looks to be a nice, totally unmessed with car. Not sure if the camera will pick that up, guys, but lovely rare colour. A little bit scratch on the wing there, but it's nothing. It's a 1400 Ecotec motor. Looks quite tidy under here. Not too bad. There's a bit of corrosion along the front edge of the bonnet. But for the age of the car and the mileage, not too bad. So the guide price on the Corsa Sport is £3,000 to £5,000. Well, this tidy little Mark 1 Escort. This one's, as you can see, left-hand drive. Has had some paint work. This one's running on those 13-inch mini light style wheels. Okay, nothing here, guys. Looks complete. You can see that, guys. It's showing the mileage there, 20,000. That's kilometres. So obviously take that as you will. Clean and tidy under here. And the wings look good. Wing lips look alright. That's just the heater ball. Obviously it has had some paint work. The wing lips look alright on that side. A 4-branch and a single choke carb. So the guide price on the left-hand drive Mark 1 Escort is £10,000 to £12,000. I've got this 3-door Range Rover. This is an interesting vehicle. This one's been an import from Australia. This Range Rover, it's got full leather. Very tidy. Obviously it's a manual one. Doing a mileage of 42,000 kilometres. Obviously being an import, take that as it is. What a cool car. Still on its original plate. tidy in the back there, some bits and pieces. This Range Rover's on the later Range Rover alloys. It's also the V8 3.5 litre petrol version. The guide price on this Range Rover is 45 to 55,000 pound. Next, we've got another XR3 Cabriolet. Another tidy car, this one. Run RS turbo alloys. This one's got the half leather interior and the half leather recordos. Quite a tidy car in here, guys. Mileage showing 11,000 mile. Obviously do your own checks at that. This escort does need a little bit of attention to the roof. But again, in the summer that'll be down. XR3 isn't too bad. A little ding in the boot there. It's not too bad of a car, totally usable. And a little bit on the back arch there. A totally usable car. This one's also 600 cvh with mechanical injection. And the wings don't look too bad again. Yeah, quite a tidy little car. Yeah, it's a bit dark in there, guys. So the guide price on the XR3 Cabriolet is 3 to 4,000 pound. It's Bedford CF truck. You don't see many of these now. Clean tidy truck in here. Does anyone recognise that trim? Put it in the comments if you know where it is. I know where it is. So this truck is showing 36,000 mile. Oh, it looks genuine, to be fair. So it'll pick up as the drop side body. Greedy boards fitted. Cool little truck. The CF's the petrol version. And the guide price is 4 to 6,000 pound.